Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best portable grills for camping that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Snowpeak TAKIBI Fire and Grill. The first night I landed in Japan for the ski trip of my dreams, we dropped our bags at our Tokyo hotel and headed straight for dinner. We feasted on soft shell crabs cooked over tableside, interlaced grills, and ate like royalty. When we fired up the Snowpeak TAKIBI Fire and Grill, I felt like I was right back in Japan. Minus the traffic noises of Tokyo, plus a few more pine trees. The Snowpeak TAKIBI grill was by far one of the easiest grills we tested to set up and use. The base plate serves as an ash catcher and a steadier for the grill itself, thanks to notches in the base plate designed to hold the legs of the fire pit itself. Moving on at number 4, we have the Solo Stove Bonfire Cast Iron Grill Cooking Bundle 2.0. This grill is the holy grail of versatile camping fire pits turned grills. Solo Stove's portable bonfire fire pit design boasts rave reviews about its lightweight, dynamic airflow design that keeps your fire burning in an easily contained and maintained fashion. The Solo Stove Bonfire Cast Iron Grill takes this design and adds a classic cast iron grill reminiscent of cowboying out west. The modification of the grill hub adds enough height to keep your food from burning in the intense heat of the fire pit. As our testers found out very quickly, don't forget that hub. At number 3, we have the CUISINART CCG190RB14INCH Barbecue Portable Charcoal Grill. We take back our stereotypical comment from before and, instead, introduce a classic portable camping grill that also captured the attention of our tight budgets. The CUISINART 14-inch Barbecue Portable Charcoal Grill hits our basic desires. It's portable, durable, and, most importantly, affordable. At a whopping $40 retail, but on sale for half that price, the CUISINART allows you to bring a grill to the campsite, picnic, tailgate, or après picnic for a great price, without breaking down on you during the second course. It's Amazon's best-selling grill and even got a shout-out from Food & Wine magazine for the quality of food. At number 2, we have the CUISINART CGG 306 Chef-Style Portable Propane Tabletop. Two testers agreed the CUISINART CGG 306 Chef-Style Portable Propane Tabletop was the best portable gas grill they had ever cooked on. One was glad for its compactness while living in a garden-level apartment outside of Boston. The other was grateful for its portability between home and snowmobiling trips in New Hampshire's White Mountains. And finally at number 1, we have the Weber Go Anywhere Charcoal Grill. This charcoal grill has a handle on the competition. Pun intended. Have you seen that handle? We didn't choose the Weber Go Anywhere charcoal grill based on handles alone, but what stands out on this camping grill fits so well with its chosen title. Portability and room for multiple patties reign supreme with this camping grill. The cover locks in place with movable, steel-plated legs that tuck up and around, making the top handle as good as a suitcase handle. However, if that doesn't suffice, 2 other handles on the long ends will do the job, especially if you're moving this portable grill with warm charcoal inside.
Thanks for watching and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.